Hi, so today here at Fix a Carb we're going to be working on a set of double HD6 carbs from a 1950s Daimler Conquest. They came to us in a bit of a sorry state, leaking, corroded, seized, worn out. All the components have been fully stripped and prepared, ready for reassembly. We've got brand new rebuild kits. So all the parts that wear out will be replaced for new. The tops have been polished. Some of the other components have been polished too. And we're totally ready to begin reassembly. So the next section will be in high speed, but I think you'll get the picture and you'll be able to see how much care and attention we put into our carburetor rebuilds. We don't just throw them together. It's very important to get them right, get them working together and working properly. Thank you for watching.